How to log in to Netspend account. Open a preferred browser and search for www.netspend.com. In the official homepage of Netspend, at the very top you should see the option of login. You can simply go ahead and tap on the login option at the top. If you are new to Netspend, go ahead and tap on sign up now. Once you have tapped on logged in, you'll be redirected to a credential web page, so wait for it to load. In here, in your account login, go ahead and enter a username and your password that is linked to your Netspend. Tap on remember username so that you can easily log in the next time. If you have forgotten any of your username or password, simply tap on either one of this. Then enter email address. In your mail, it will provide you with a login link, which you can simply give it a click and you'll be able to have access to your account, or even go ahead and change your password. If you face any of the difficulty during login, tap on this chat bubble at the end, where you can easily able to communicate with a bot or a live agent. Here, if you have forgotten your username or password, you can write you have forgotten your username and password, then follow the instructions guided by the agent itself. And that's pretty much it for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.